Well, hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got AEngland Angel Grace. I'm starting off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and this stunning polish is Angel Grace by AEngland. Oh, goodness. It's just lush, royal, so pretty. It's purple, but it's got like a pink hollow to it that's just jaw-dropping. It's in this formula. All around, AEngland polishes are some of the best formulas I've ever worked with. They are so easy to use. And here we're going to go with our second coat of Angel Grace. Although I probably could have gotten away with one. I prefer two. It's just my thing. There we go. Get that in there. Yes, yes. Beautiful. I'm going to top it with Moonshine Mayonnaise. Let's Go Top Coat. Pardon the blurry footage here. I really did use this top coat though, so I like to show what I do, even if it's wrong. And this is a little wrong. But I am going to cap my free edge here. Look at that. Stunner. Today I'm going to be using BP-L003. This is a Born Pretty plate. And I'm going to clean it all up. I got the blue film off. And I'm just cleaning it with some acetone. And then we're going to hop on in and use the cube stamper and the Maniology scraper. I'm starting off with Hollow There, Beautiful, by Hit the Bottle. As you're fixing to see, it doesn't really, since it's a hollow, it's not showing up on top of that hollow so good. I mean, I could have done it and been good with it, but clean the stamper off, and I'm cleaning the plate off. And I'm going to do it again on my ring finger, because that's what I like to do. Thumb and ring finger, just in case things don't go as planned. And after I do it here, I'm like, nope, that's just not going to work. So we're using So Metal by Maniology, and I'm going to stamp over the two I've already done, okay? I'm just going to go right over top of them, try to line them up the best I can, and just kind of like a do-over, but not a complete do-over, because I didn't want to repaint the whole nail. And there we go. And it works out pretty good. So the So Metal shows up much better over this beautiful polish. There we go. And then I decided I would do the rest of the nails with this other image. I just wanted to play with this plate. To be honest, I could have gone and done different images on every nail. I'd have been happy with it, because all of these images look like they would go well together. They'd play nice together. So here we go. And then one more for that little pinky nail. Scrape, scrape, and pick it up. There we go. Alrighty, I'm cleaning that plate with pure acetone and wiping it with a paper towel. And then I'm going to break out my 91% alcohol, spray it, and rub over it again. And this is what I like to do to put them up, to put them to bed. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and clean up some of this excess stamping polish off of my skin. And then we're going to go in with the cleanup brush and finish this cleanup part of it off. Just get it all tidied up. And I am really still enjoying the Maniology cleanup brush. It's holding up pretty well to all the abuse. Alright, I'm going to use the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat over this. And once this is completely dry, I will be going over it with the Moonshine Mani Let's Go Top Coat. And this one will be done. So I hope you enjoyed this manicure. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.